Well, hi, it's Jeanne in the glass studio, and I just want to tell you how excited I am. I am getting ready to cut the last piece of the first panel. There are 4 altogether, and today I spent most of my time cutting out the duck and the borders. Yesterday I was doing the cattails, and so I am so excited. I got some help doing some of the foiling, but that's what I'm going to do next. So, to get this far in the project, and I will keep you posted as we go. Well, we've got another one. Like I said, there are 4 altogether, and so this one is the second pattern. So I just have to take together the 3 different parts to it and make some pattern pieces so I can start cutting that one. One at a time, dear.
Okay, so we're going to be done with this one by the end of next week, right?
I hope so. Are you going to help me?
Yeah, you know how little help I am.
All right. So yeah, stay tuned. Anybody who wants to come help, I'm open.